Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2018 Jeep Compass Sport 4-wheel drive. Stock number E1847P. Only 8,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Black diamond in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Compass is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Sport has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjust for the driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Button start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 8,000 miles. With driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Large 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Compass. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. 4-wheel drive. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Compass has a 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for a 4-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 22 miles to the gallon and a city average of 30 on the highway. And approximately 60% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.